Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review. The vendor of this program is Darren Langdon. He has created 10 products before, and many of his products are in the crypto area. But this one is all about affiliate marketing. In a nutshell, Affiliate Buzz X is a newbie-friendly step-by-step method that marketers can use to make fast commissions. Now, there's 6 things you should know about this product. You don't need any tech skills. There is a full walkthrough video instruction available. You can get up and running fast. It's a set and forget traffic method. It's newbie friendly with step-by-step instruction, and there is no expensive tools that are required. The front end for Affiliate Buzz X is $12.95, an upsell for $7. Unlimited traffic includes an ebook and a video for $14.95, a bonus ebook for $10, and a 4 ebook package for 20% less at $8. Need to know more? Well, click the link below and get the full story. And oh yes, before I go, check out the $10,000 offering from Virgil Downs in the link below. And my 4 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online empire and get access to free traffic. You can buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They show you how to gain reoccurring income online with ease, and it will show you how to earn up to $186 daily in 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system.